इसमें तो क्या होता है, रॉको का अच्छा सरकार का, पर उसमें सरकार का लैपटॉप पे सर्वर है तो वो आउटेज झेल लेता है।
पर इंटरनेट से तो कनेक्ट होता ही होगा वो भी।
हाँ इंटरनेट से तो कनेक्ट होता ही है, बस उसका उसका डेटा राउटर नहीं झेल सकता आउटेज, बस तो भाई वो।
Okay, we are back.
और
Back again. Hello. Sorry for the outage.
Florida is having some kind of hurricanes.
Mm-hmm.
Not a warning. That's why our server crashed and then restarted back up again. But no worries. I think we are looking for some funding in UPS if anyone can, or if anyone can find a good deal. Please chat.
Bro, start donating money. Motherfuckers in the chat, please start donating fucking money now.
You are abusing them and asking them to donate the money, right? You're fucking donate the money. That's not a request. That's a fucking order. Fuckers donate the money, right? And dude, whoever is watching is gonna say, "Fuck off, guys. Fuck off."
Nobody is watching right now, so it's fine. I'm just putting it out there, manifesting it. It's
Okay, okay. Is it just router and Optiplex? Oh, we can get 40 minutes of runtime range. Oh, that's more than enough.
bro, let's leave that.
No, bro.
Let's focus here.
Just
Let's
start doing
focus.
it, huh? Where were we? I don't remember.
I remember, like, we were trying to render this. We rendered it because we said, oh,
What?
oh, that's how we zoom in and out
Oh.
from the scroll.
Oh, I thought you were trying to zoom in inside the view completely.
No, that I'm also trying to do that, but yeah. Play, nothing happens in the play thing. Okay. Okay. And then it makes oh, you were asking that, right? If what were you asking?
Yeah, yeah, def. Like instead of override, I was asking to make it def. Like in the
In what?
in sublayer A, since sublayer is A is on the top, and we're trying to see
Yeah.
if the radius value, if the attribute value picks it up or not, like, or do we have any difference in the output? So, did you compile
What?
it again?
Yeah, I compiled it again.
So let's go back and look at the layer output that we have. What is the value we have for the attribute? Click on it.
For sphere,
Here for sphere, is it 100?
it's 100. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
100.
So like that means that it basically shows us two things. So the attribute values are different. So when the USD composes it, right? So it picks up attribute values in a different manner, and the prim spec type in a different manner, and both are like independent. So if you change a
Mm-hmm.
prim spec type, it won't matter. The only thing will matter will be the way you're trying to stack your layers in the
Mm-hmm.
include file. So, and basically order your layers. So if you order the layer A on top, definitely it's gonna pick
Mm-hmm.
up value over there. So we can also try to
Mm-hmm.
do something in layer B, and we can see that it's not gonna do anything over there. Like
Mm-hmm.
in layer B, if we do double radius 200, it's still gonna resolve back to 100 only.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And let's do this 50.
yeah.
Yeah, you see it's still. But where do we see the value? I know it's 100. I know it's 50, but where do we see it exactly?
Nothing. You just
Value?
yeah, you just saw it. No, it should be in the attributes. Like click on it. Click on the sphere. No, no, like
I,
in the draw in the side. Yeah, index. Click on it.
yeah, yeah.
Meta make visible viz only. Go into properties. Yeah, yeah. We see it in the properties. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down more. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Radius 30.
Oh, yeah, 50. Okay. Mm-hmm. Got it. Because we are referencing sublayer A on top of
Yeah.
everyone, and def x form world, def scope geometry. Hmm. Okay. And then what is that? Selecting cube, layer stack, simple. So it's gonna show the layer stack over here. Okay. Sublayer A, geometry. Okay. And then cube, sublayer A, and then world, sublayer simple USD. Root is some sublayer simple USD. Okay. I think I understand the concepts pretty well now.
Let's move on
So
to the sublime.
selecting cube, we can see there is an opinion coming from both sublayer B, sublayer A in the layer stack. However, we click on sphere, sublayer B USDA is the only one in sublayer in the layer stack. However, when we click on sphere, oh, so this is like, I understand this now.
Mm-hmm.
What does this mean, right? This basically means what layers have the opinion about this prim.
Yeah.
So if we are clicking on cube and it's showing us sublayer A and sublayer B, that means there are opinions about the this cube in both of these layers.
Mm.
That's what this means. Okay, why is the sphere on top of the cube cause this? What would happen if sublayer B defined the cube rather than sphere? How can we apply this to other industries? Imagine we have received two layers, one containing the geometry of a building, geometry.usd, from one workstream, and another containing the materials shading.usd. So, how can we combine the two? By creating a new USD layer, we can add both geometry USD and shading USD as sublayers. Composition arcs, composition sublayers, activity, contents, geometry.usd. Let's render this and see what they are fucking trying to do.
Geometry.
So, yeah, this part. Sublayer activity. Oh, it does not have activity. What the fuck?
Wait.
Simple exam. Content. Oh yeah, here it is. Geometry.
Okay. Oh.
Audio.
Is it? Yeah. Click on it. Oh.
But it's why is it not
Oh,
rendering over
it's
here?
binary. It's because it's in binary. Try
But hey, this is also USD and this is also USD.
open anyway. Click on open anyway. It's gonna render it then. Open anyway. Let's see text editor. Oh yeah, it's in
Okay.
binary. That's why.
What?
Yeah. So I think it's
But
already.
how are we able to open this then?
The thing is, I think when we are trying to compile the whole thing, right? You remember when we try to do like click right click on it, rename.
Mhm. USDA.
Yeah, do USDA. Enter. Now click on it. No, no, it's not. Yeah, it's already compiled for some reason. Click on shading.usd.
Um,
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
that geometry dot that file is compiled, or it's corrupted.
oh.
It's corrupted. We can load it. I think we have to reload that file from somewhere else again. Yeah.
Hmm. And what are they running here? Geometry.usd. Content, activity, content. Exercise contents. SDF layer API. We'll be adding in code that adds sublayer to our root layer. That adds sublayer to our root layer. Hmm. Let me see if I can render this. Yeah, bro. I want to render this.
Nice. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That file will render because that file is not logged. That file is no, that file will render because it's already pre-compiled. But if we are not able to open since it's in binary format.
Mm. Oh, damn. Okay. Then what is it trying to tell us to do now? Sublayer exercise.py. Mm-hmm. Oh, we have to add our code over here on our own. We will be adding in code that adds sublayers to our root layer. This is done using SDF layer API. Uh-huh. Let's talk about what's going in the script. Uh-huh. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Path lib, import path from PXR, import USD, SDF, working directory, path, file parent. What is it over here? Yes. Stage.usd, stage.create new string, working directory, myscraper.usda, usdgeom.set stage meters per unit, stage, usdgeom.linear units dot centimeters, usdgeom.set stage up axis. Currently, our script is creating a new root layer that is in centimeters. How? Oh, linear units dot centimeters. Okay. With y-axis as our up-axis. Uh-huh. So meters per unit and set stage up-axis. The stage gets saved into my skyscraper.usda
Mm-hmm.
in the working directory. like over here. I think it's going to get saved inside this
Oh,
exercise
dot USD. Oh, okay, okay. So we are doing MyScraper. Okay,
working
we are doing
directory.
the linear. Okay, what is this USD geo linear units? Wait, let me take a look.
Bro, that this is how we set the meters per unit. You remember you were
Oh,
doing
I
the
know, but
thing
I'm
yesterday.
looking at the other one. Geom dot.
Yeah, linear units, right?
So is this like cause we were trying to do with it with some kind of scale, like we were trying to do 0.01 for centimeters versus doing 0.01 for setting stage set stage meters per unit.
Bag outside, boys. How to play music on YouTube stream without copyright.
Like if you search it legally, it's gonna say no.
No, we have like a lot of options. Bruh, it can terminate the stream.
Yeah, I know. I told you, bro. Like it's not that easy.
Oh, YouTube has its own audio library where you can choose. Mm, mhm, 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 mhm. Ah, I see. Are you able to hear this?
Like not right over here. Maybe in the stream. Let me take a look. In the stream.
Let me play it.
No, dude. Nothing. Nothing is coming in the stream as well.
I think that's you need to add like an audio capture in your software as well.
Oh, for okay, okay. I will do that as well. So we want an audio capture. Like what is the
For
goal?
the display, like for the screen share audio capture.
Oh, screen share audio capture. Oh, okay, okay. I will do that.
Because if I play anything
But
on YouTube
I
over
was
here, it will
thinking
not.
rather than doing that, I will directly add some kind of YouTube music or some kind of integration directly in the software rather
No,
than.
that is copyright, bro. We can only use YouTube audio library.
Oh, where is the YouTube audio? No, I will add that. I can add that. Where is the YouTube audio?
YouTube Studio audio library.
Oh, wait, let me. Okay, I can add that as well. That's not a problem. YouTube Studio, Audio Library Studio, Audio Library.
But let it be, bro. Don't add it. It is just like 720 tracks
Oh,
that are like copyright free.
so we have like
Uh,
uplifting cinematic music and all those things. I can add sound stream if you want. It has a lot of non-copyrighted music.
what? What?
Stream, sound stream.
I see.
Yeah.
Stream Beats, a popular massive catalog of streamer safe music created by creator Harris Heller, available on Spotify and more. Oh, wait. Epidemic Sound. Do this.
Yeah, I know. Epidemic sounds.
So we can.
But like either you get non-copyrighted music from directly YouTube or anywhere, it's gonna be the same. You cannot play a like Drake track or something until unless you ask Drake, "Hey, is it fine, brother?" You know, brother to brother, brother to brother.
Brother to brother. Yeah, fuck this. Let's just focus. I wanted to, bro, because it was getting very boring without music.
Yeah, I know, but it's fine.
Oh,
Okay,
but I can
so
listen to music, right? Because
yeah. So okay, we have the output over here. It says that USD geom.linear unit is just like an enum like set of doubles that map the name unit to the meter per unit value. Oh, okay. So for OpenUSD, USD geom.linear units dot centimeters is equal to 0.01.
share
Oh,
your screen as well, please. Now,
wait, dude. Like, if I can share my screen, so what it's gonna do? It
I
will
will add it. I will add it.
no. So it's this is what gonna happen. This is what was going.
Oh no, just share another window.
Dude, I was using Perplexity. I'm gonna add some kind of chat window. Yeah, let me add that as well. Add a chat window as well.
Customizable streaming software incoming.
Yes,
Modular and customizable.
yes. And then, dude, I'm gonna create a awesome UI for that as well. Don't worry, everything is. We are doing everything in parallel.
Is
Parallel.
this our business pivot?
No,
Startup
this is not
pivot.
business pivot. This is like a side
You know,
project.
this
This
is
is a
going to be
Memorial Day
very
project.
good.
This is a Memorial Day project. You know, people go on vacations. You know what we do? We build projects, side projects for special occasions.
AI powered streaming
AI
software.
power streaming, Claude code at work. Let me check if I have the
Lord,
Mythos model access or not. Mythos.
why would you have Mythos Power Cloud?
Dude,
No.
I'm a heavy Claude code user. I have been investing so much money, you know, in that 1 trillion valuation. A small amount has been contributed by me as well.
Bro, in Whisper Flow, you can give it the complete videos, right?
Videos, I don't know about it. Like, what do you mean, a complete videos?
My manager was telling me because we recorded this whole workflow video of a accountant,
Uh huh.
and he was telling that he's going to put that video in Whisper to make notes out of it.
Dude, Whisperflow has a different thing now. In Whisperflow, you can do prompt engineering directly. Damn.
What do you mean?
So, so it means that let's say you set a prompt, do this, and
Hmm.
then you select an option like you do a shortcut command two or option two, and it's going to rewrite it before you paste it in your chat window in a proper prompt manner.
Bro, share your screen. I am not able to understand.
Wait, I will show you. So window over here. All right, are you able to see the screen?
Yeah.
So over here you have multiple transforms similar to USD transforms, but these are more focused towards like if you have said something, let's say you're trying to
Mm-hmm.
say build a website with SpaceX vision and something else, but the prompt would, but the way you are gonna say it would not be in a standardized manner, right? So you say it, and then you do option two, and then it's gonna rewrite the prompt for you.
Mm.
Oh, let me post my, where is it?
Referral.
Where is the referral, dude? Get a free month.
Invite your team. Oh,
Yeah, referral over here. Chat,
let me maximize your
please use my referral.
whisper flow.ai/r Aditya 3182.
Yes,
Chat.
chat, please. We need this.
We need.
We are
We,
broke as fuck. We are broke as fuck. Every our penny, each and every penny is been consumed by Cloud Code. The only subscription that I have, only two people have subscribed to this. VDS.
yeah.
Who's VDS? I don't know.
SVK 23. Who's that?
That's Shreyas. Shreyas Vijay Bhandare. Bhandare. I think he might be watching our stream as well.
Why would he watch our stream, bro?
Dude, he's one of your subscriber, bitch. He's one of,
Oh, is he? I
yeah,
didn't know that.
yeah. He usually asks me that, dude, what's your plan? I'm like, dude, go and watch my stream. Watch this stream. That's the plan that I have. He will say, it was a plan for the long weekend. Only one thing, stream.
OpenUSD. Oh, but yeah, let's get back to this, bro. Okay, cool. So currently our script is creating a new root layer that is in centimeters and y-axis as our up axis. The stage gets saved into my skyscraper.usda. First, we want to retrieve the root layer from our stage, then append the sublayers. The first appended sublayer will have the highest opinion. Add the code into the designated section inside of sublayer exercise.py. What? First, we want to retrieve the root layer from our stage. Retrieve the root layer from our stage and then get root layer, okay? Then append the sublayers. Okay, shading and geometry.usda. Oh, USD. The first appended sublayer will have the highest opinion. Save the file. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I got it. I got it. Like this.
Yes. Wait. Oh, I need to stop sharing my screen.
Hmm. And then I saved it. And then I have to run it. Python composition arcs. I think for that I need to enable the environment. Do I need to enable the environment to run the Python command over here?
Yeah, you need to enable it, or if you have it in your default, that's also fine.
How do I check it over here, right? Where is
No, no,
it?
no. It's not enabled. I can see it. Yeah, do it right now. It's gonna come in
No,
like,
it is enabled. See?
no, no.
LOUSD.
It's, but I don't know if your terminal is picking it up. Your terminal is not picking up that environment. That is the thing. So
Oh, I'll
terminal,
have to activate it.
yeah. Now it's
Yeah,
gonna
okay.
LOUSD.
And then let me do Python And I think I should do Python 3, right?
Yeah, Python. Python. Just
So
do Python.
Python,
Just do Python then.
no such file or directory.
Yeah, do just do Python. Oh
I
wait.
don't.
Oh, I think it's still gone. Okay, I know what's the error. Uh
Let me deactivate and try
no no
again.
no 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 don't deactivate, don't deactivate. I know what's the error. So the error is related to the URL right now you are at. So do tab up, do tab up,
Mm-hmm.
like you mean I mean up arrow. Yeah, go back, go completely back.
Oh,
Like escape. Yeah, go back. Yeah,
yeah.
and remove
Over
that
here.
dot. Yeah, remove that dot. Uh,
Uh-huh.
and wait, we are in OpenUSDA. Okay, wait, what?
USD root.
Okay,
USD root, I
you
think.
have to do
Yeah.
USD root underscore root. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I think this might work. Press enter.
Yeah. And I think Python 3.
No, I don't think so. Python 3, since we are in an environment, it should work.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now do Python again. Python.
Mm-hmm.
Completely remove everything. Completely remove everything. Yeah. Do tab slash. Oh, okay, okay, right. And now you do USD root. Yes. And now do tab. Now do tab with the file that you want to go in. Now do tab. Enter.
What is this file? Sublayers.
Layers tab. Contents exercise. And then sublayer that file name that you're trying to render. But it's inside contents. It's, or is it in outside? Yeah, no, it's outside it. Yeah, dot py.
Dot py.
Yeah.
Or do I do dot py?
Yeah,
We don't need to do.
no,
Oh,
you
yeah.
need to do dot py. Enter. Now it should render.
Oh, now it worked.
Yeah.
So my skyscraper.usda got created, I guess. Yes. Nice. And then now I think I need to render. Let's view the terminal. Uh-huh. So now I need to deactivate this, right, to see the USD view. Oh, hell yeah. Look at this.
Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam.
Mm. Hmm. Here we see sublayer we added by selecting root in hierarchy window in top left in metadata tab. On the bottom right, there will be section for sublayers. Hmm. I see. Any opinions in the chat? I think people are watching. Anything we should try in this file? Do you guys want us to render something? Please let us know.
Or you can also use AI for
I
sending
know.
in the prompt. No, I'm asking for the chat. I'm asking for the chat. That chat can also use AI to
Mm-hmm.
AI.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, one and only.
Okay, so it's asking us to we added by selecting root in the hierarchy window in the top left. Uh-huh. So root and then metadata. Bro, I want to increase the fucking font size of this fucking viewer.
Wait, next. Next. Increase the size of the viewer. What do you mean by that?
Bro, like it's too small. Like the text is too small. I cannot fucking increase the size of the
Go to file or edit.
nothing. It's not there.
Uh, I think you can you I think Cloud Code can handle it.
Bruh.
Bro, yeah, you do not used to use your brain all the freaking time for silly things.
Cool. And okay, what is it asking? Metadata tab at bottom right. And then there will be section of sublayers. So sublayers, content shading, content geometry, USD. Okay. You can look at the completed script in composition sublayer. Oh, in full. Oh, it was already here. Bruh. So this was a very easy introduction.
Yeah. What are some there
Mhm.
FAQs? Frequently asked questions. That would be something important that we should ask ourselves. What is
Fucking.
sublayer paths?
What is sublayer path? Sublayer paths is a property within SDF.
API.
It is a
What is
list
the
that
function of
contains.
SDF? Scene description foundations. Yes.
Yeah. Within SDF API, it is a list that contains all the sublayers in a layer. Why can we not use C++ set sublayer paths, const std vector, std string, new paths, or insert sublayers const std string path and path int index equal to 1? We are using Python. What does this mean? Why can we not use C++? Since we are using Python, the SDF APIs are Pythonic. So it's a property instead. To see the full list of properties for SDF layer and other classes, visit SDF module Python documentation. This is what you're looking for, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Bam,
much.
bam, bam.
Bro, what the fuck?
Angular unit. What the hell is Angular unit?
Foundation, scene description, and abstraction for interacting.
Path, asset path.
What are these exactly used for? SDF module?
SGF modules are used for getting scene description properties, like the properties that are basically uncomposed, raw properties, raw values uh, from the USD file that we're trying to take a look into. So how would I remove a sublayer in Python? We you would want to use remove. Let me take a look at every other thing. In Python, you would want to remove. You want to use remove. Or you also need to plot which layer you want to remove. Oh, okay. It helps us to play with the OpenUSD file. So, like, if we take a look at the next example we have, that is how would I remove a sublayer? It says we can use sublayer paths dot remove to remove the sublayer that you want to remove. Then how can find sublayer of a given layer? Oh, okay. Then you use SDF dot layer to get the root layer. Okay, so that is one of the use case of SDF library. So it helps us to play with the layer
Mm-hmm.
sub layers that we have. So I think layer, if you click on layer, we can find more properties of the layers. So layer has
Where,
attached layer rules.
where?
Like in the notebook, in the like if you click on the SDF API, like click on the documentation, Python model.
Oh,
Yeah, click on it.
yeah.
Yeah, and then search for go down and search for layer or do command F. Yeah,
Oh,
layer.
layer.
Yeah, click on layer, and then
Mm-hmm.
see we have classes, methods, and other things that you can do with SDF.
Mm. Bro, this documentation is endless.
Yeah, like this documentation is a lot, has a lot of things. But as we play more with, I think OpenUSD, we will get to know, we will get more familiar with all these functions and API calls.
And that is just for SDF. This is just for SDF.
Yeah, dude, SDF is really big. Like SDF has a lot of things that you can do. SDF is a really powerful module. That's why it says Scene Description Foundation. That is a full form of SDF. You have Angular unit, you have animation blocks, then you have file format. So basically, what we are doing is we are playing with the raw USDA file that is over there before getting composed, right? As we saw in the earlier definitions for the layers and SDF. Like if we go back into where what is it, it was in prim composition, right? Somewhere regarding SDF spec. It says both prim spec and property spec have their own API that is based off SDF spec. So based on this line, I was like, okay, SDF plays a really important role.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Omniverse. So this is Omniverse kit.
Yes.
Th- This is all used in Omniverse kit.
Yes.
Oh, now I'm able to understand some stuff.
So Omniverse Kit is a wrapper over the OpenUSD raw, or like the OpenUSD was written in C++.
Yeah.
But C++ is a language that is really low level and a lot of people don't know about it. Like
Mm-hmm.
if you go ahead and right now try to go into the raw OpenUSD documentation, it has a lot of
C plus plus.
C++ thing. But most of the
Yeah.
Python libraries that we have, such as PyTorch and every other library, those are already compiled.
Bro, this guy is back. This guy is back. This experiment 21.
Oh, hello, brother. I think he's one of the subscriber. He's one of the
Yeah.
subscriber. How
He's the guy who's like watching us, no, talking
use
to
the
us about
referral? How
his
to use the
college
referral?
and shit.
Use the referral. I'm gonna say use the referral.
But I have removed it.
I know about
I
it.
know about it, C plus plus.
Nice, nice.
How do you say hello world, print hello world in C plus plus?
Don't ask him silly question. What is vector in C++? We should ask. I think he can do AI. Like what is vector?
Bro, just type it. Type it quickly. No, you took too much time. I know you're going like doing chat GPT.
It's fine, bro. Everyone does ChatGPT. At least he will learn about it. What is vector today?
No, you cannot use AI for everything. Please.
You can use AI for each and everything.
STD count hello world.
Great, brother. Great. Great job.
You
You have
took so
earned
much
a degree
time.
in computer science now. That's what every other software engineering company asks for. Standard template library. Crazy shit. You experiment 21. Bro, I don't use
Bro,
AI.
I don't even-
You should use AI then. You should use AI.
Yeah, what are you doing, man?
Bro, you
What are
should
you doing?
use AI.
You're
Everyone
gonna
uses AI.
be.
If you don't use AI, you're gonna lack.
Bro, share this fucking stream with your friends and call them on the stream.
Yeah.
Just, what are you doing, bro?
Where do you think this guy is from? Dude, where?
India, for sure.
I don't
India.
think he's from. Dude, are you from
He
India?
is from India. I know he is from India.
Oh, how do you know?
Bro, he was talking about his college and BS.
Oh
So,
yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I do remember now. Yeah, I do remember now. And then
and
now
wait, I
he's
can.
going to delete his chat because that's what he do. I do remember seeing
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, he's gonna delete his chat now.
time, dude.
Code correction.
You should use AI all the time for code generation. That's what we do. Only AI. No more code writing. Pure cloud code flow. I have.
And look at his DP.
Oh, dude, he's saying if I have friends, why I might be here. Fuck. Fuck.
That's true, bro. I will give up. Sorry. My
Yeah.
bad.
Uh,
My
fine.
bad.
We feel you.
If I have friends, why would I be?
Why I might be here. It should be I would be, but it's fine.
Bro, you don't need friends. You need money.
And you need AI.
You need AI and tokens.
Yes. Get friends.
You're gonna have a lot of
No,
friends
no.
in
Get
future.
money, then get bitches, and then you will get friends. Bitches attract friends.
What the fuck? Some Andrew Tate shit over here.
I'm not doing Andrew Trade shit. What was it? Dan Bilzerian. Yeah.
Jackson.
Dan Bilzerian.
Oh yeah, Dan. Yeah.
Dan Bilzerian. Dude, look
Bro,
at
this guy is just fucking distracting us, bro. Let's complete this.
Bilzerian. Wait, let me type it up. Bro, I'm working on AI image generator. I use a pick of female other things as well. What the hell?
Yeah, look at his DP.
Yeah, bro, for sure. Alright, let's get back to it. I think that
Yeah.
we should now focus on the quiz now. Let's do a recap.
Bro, let's complete this first. We didn't complete it.
Oh, sublayer path is not completed. Oh, I did completed it, dude. Like I went through it.
How would I remove a sublayer? In Python, you would want to use dot remove. You also need to provide which layer you want to remove. If we were to remove the shading.usd layer, it would look like root layer dot sublayer paths dot remove. How can I find sublayers of a given layer? How can I find sublayers of a given layer? Since we already know how to get sublayers of the root layer, we can use that to get the sublayers of those layers. Here's a snippet on how we can retrieve the sublayer of any layer. So working directory is this, root layer is this, sublayer equals to root layer dot sublayer paths. Oh, just dot sublayer paths. Now, how to get the sublayers of the root layer? We can use that to get the sublayers of those layers. Okay. Nice. 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 I think, yeah, we will be able to. I think we should be able to do reference and payloads and encapsulations and variant sets tomorrow, like
Yeah,
three
yeah.
at least.
Yep. That would be
Right.
pretty easy as well, I think. Not that
Yeah,
difficult.
not
We are pretty
not that
familiar
big.
with the OpenUSD code base and its libraries and other functionalities and how
Yeah.
it renders things and what is the priority and
Only three modules will be left after that.
yes.
God damn. And not too big to like I think
I think the
this is
most
big.
important part would be the exercises. That's it.
Yeah. No bro, it's not that big. It's fine. It's workable. Data exchange is big. Anatomy, data extraction. That's fine. Okay, you want to do value resolution now, revision, and then 15 quiz,
Yeah,
and then 20 question. What do you want to do? 20 questions Udemy first?
yeah. I'm fine with both. Like we can. What we can do is we can do first the 20 questions of Udemy, and then we can do value resolution recap.
Revision.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then we can focus on the quiz further on.
Okay. And let me make the quiz multiple choice
Yeah,
though.
let's make the quiz multiple choice. Much toughness.
Oh, look at his what he's typing in the chat.
What?
Omniverse is like Unreal Engine 5. Nah. That's
Yeah,
why I
yeah,
knew
yeah,
he was Indian.
yeah, yeah. Similar in a similar way. But
I actually know how to make a self-driving car with deep learning, but in Omniverse it's very easy task, I guess.
no, I think I won't say creating a self-driving car with deep learning and Omniverse are related. Omniverse is a
Yeah.
completely different thing over here.
It's a simulating engine.
Yeah,
It's a
it's a
simulation
simulation
engine.
engine.
It's not a deep learning algorithm.
Deep learning is something else.
So it is an environment like Omniverse helps us create a digital environment in which you can test your deep learning model for
Yeah.
self-driving.
So your robot is already trained on something, but now you want to test if your robot works fine. It's more like if in machine learning you have test case and training set, right? So, but that's only for a machine learning model, right over there. Similar to in deep learning, but in over here, let's say you bring a real robot and you want to test it in live environments. You would load the environment in Omniverse and load your robot or something that you want to test and see how it performs accordingly. So that's what basically Omniverse is. And I
Yep.
don't think it's that easy. I would say as of now, how we are going, like it's really complicated. Like understanding
Yeah.
how Omniverse works and all those things. Those, there is some kind of initial learning curve, but eventually, like as you spend more time on it, it gets easier and easier. Oh, that's a really good
Yes,
question.
absolutely.
Yeah, yeah,
Absolutely. That is the goal.
yeah. That is the goal.
Let me just come from the washroom and then we can start the quiz for
Okay. So
Udemy.
did you started the quiz in the background?
Yeah, I did.
All right, perfect. Makes sense.
Oh, wait. Yeah. And then mm, multiple choice answer quiz for if you guys like, we can make a malware to destroy the NVIDIA GPUs in data center. What will you say?
Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait.
Brother, it's a $5 trillion company. If you
But
think
I
you can do that,
Dude, stop living in the dream. Stop living in a dream.
No, no, it's fine. But I
You
mean,
can do it definitely.
why do you want to do it though?
But
Like,
why do you want to
what's
do it? Or you can basically
I mean, and like, how would you do it? If you guys like, we can make. Okay, make it, please.
guys, okay. He's asking for our approval that if you just, bro, just say yes.
Yeah, yeah. You have our approval. Go
And
ahead.
tomorrow the Nvidia stock crashes.
Yeah, let us make some call options.
First of all,
Sorry,
Nvidia doesn't own a lot of data centers. Nvidia owns,
the chips,
yeah.
NVIDIA GPUs in data. No, no, he's saying destroy the NVIDIA GPUs in the data centers.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, do it.
bro, definitely. You know who would I target? Let's give him some targets. What do you think? Let's go with which stock do I don't have? Uh,
AWS, Amazon.
Nebius. Do Nebius. Go and crash.
Fuck them up.
Yeah, fuck them up, and then we are gonna short them. Nebius. Wait, let me type it. Nebius. Nebius. Crash this one. Crash. Attack on this. On this.
15. Create a multiple choice answer quiz for Beyond Basic.
Call you back.
Hard. Just we can increase and decrease the acceleration of GPU and give normal readings in the system. The GPUs gets exposed to more stress and gets damaged in data centers. The old malware creator did for this purpose, dudes. I don't get it. What does that mean?
Okay, is the quiz ready? Oh wait,
It's still going.
old malware created did for this purpose, dudes. Just we can increase and decrease the acceleration of GPU and give normal readings in the system. The GPU get exposed to more stress and get damaged in the data centers. And I love you, malware. Shazam, why you become freezed in cam? Bhai.
Freeze in cam. I was watching something.
Hmm. दे भाई उसको मैंने वाला पक्का है?
You know I love you, malware.
पता नहीं ब्रो आई डोंट थिंक what the hell.
He's out of it. Bro, the people we get on our stream, like,
Why you become freeze in cam, Shazam? Tell
Shazam!
Shazam.
Oh, no, no, no.
Bro,
Bro, I got a football.
bro already did working on malware. I don't know, bro. What the hell?
Bro, put it in Hindi if you can. I don't know what you mean.
Yeah. गाली ना दे दे भाई. He's gonna curse us. Fuck you guys.
It's fine. It's fine. Who cares?
Yeah, that's the point.
We are not.
Let's.
We don't have a fucking million
You
subscribers.
guys did MSN abroad? Yes, we did MSN abroad. The greatest country of all time.
The greatest country,
God,
our heart,
in
souls,
God we
and
trust. In God we
you
trust.
are Telugu.
Oh, bro.
We love Telugu people actually.
Yeah. Oh shit, he's Telugu, brother.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said,
Oh, how do you know he's Telugu?
bro. He's writing it in the chat.
Well, he just said it. He's Telugu. So,
Yeah.
which part of South India are you from? AP?
Let me guess. Let me guess. Hyderabad.
Yeah, I would say Hyderabad as well. Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Telangana.
Yes.
We love people from Telangana.
Oh yeah.
They were the reason we were able to complete our masters.
Oh yeah.
Okay, our quiz is also ready, but I think we should do the Udemy one now.
Okay. All right. It was fun, brother. It was fun.
Andhra Pradesh. He's from Andhra Pradesh.
Yes. Not Andhra, Andhru.
I don't know what's the difference though.
Dude, Andhra Pradesh is the correct one, I guess. There's nothing
Oh,
but Andhru.
must be a typo.
Yeah.
But I don't know how that typo happens. Andhra A and you are very
Far.
far away.
I think
He's
what's that?
A.
Bro. I think he's striving with his toes.
Okay, fuck it. Now let's go. 40 question or 20 questions. Where are we? 50. We need to complete till 70.
Yes.
51.
What
What is
else?
the role of USD shade material prim type?
To optimize the rendering performance, to encapsulate a defining. Yeah.
Definition including shaders and textures. I think this already happened. We already did this.
No, no, no. If we did it, then it would be already marked as correct or something.
No, no, no. I think
No,
they're repeating
no,
questions.
no. No, the question was different. The question was different for sure.
Encapsulate the material definition including shaders and textures. Okay. In OpenUSD, what is the purpose of namespaces to match the version control history assets organized SDK files on hierarchical structure for organizing prims within a USD scene to define material properties of objects?
To manage
Hmm.
the version control history of assets. Oh, dude, this is a really interesting question. So I think I would to manage the version control history of assets and to create a hierarchical structure. I think A or C.
In OpenUSD, what is the purpose of namespaces?
But wait, to define the material properties of objects, and this be an answer as well, because we are definitely defining something. Version control.
Namespaces, what exactly means name? Like, what do you mean by
Namespaces is the
namespaces?
name. You remember we were trying to do. We are trying to create custom properties or custom prims. No, custom primwares like,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're trying to use organization and then grouping. Like what was it? Organization sensor.
Scoping,
Yeah.
scopes.
No, no. Scoping is different. Scoping is different. It was namespacing, organization, sensor, and then the sensor, the value inside the sensor. So
Let me ask over here.
I think I would go with D. D would be my answer to define the material properties of objects.
Hierarchical structure used to organize path and identify data. C. I think it's C.
Okay, I would go with D. Let's see what happens.
Bro, it is C. It's saying here. Fucking
Oh, namespace are primary hierarchy separator.
prim hierarchy separators. But example.
Oh,
Oh, this is
oh,
namespace.
these are the namespace.
Every object in USD scene is a primitive. Prim namespaces look and behave exactly like a file system directory path using forward slash. So this is a namespace. Property namespace, which includes both attribute and primvars, use namespace to group related data parameters included together on a single prim in text formatting. Property namespaces are separated by colon. This is highly useful for organizing complex data networks like material shaders, transform operations, or pipe. Okay. Also, let me give our thing.
Bro, crazy shit. Dude, check this out. I'm gonna send you something.
Mhm.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Bro, why do you keep fucking browsing X during the stream?
I'm not browsing X.
Whatever you're seeing, bro, why do you fucking not focus on this shit? And
Dude, I'm multitasking.
you are not multitasking. Shut the fuck up.
Dude, I'm multitasking all the time.
Your bitch ass is not multitasking.
All the time, brother. You are multitasking all the time. I'm a poly motherfucking math. Dude, just check out the open up that URL.
Oh, you fucking created it. You, I knew it. I knew it.
Multitasking. I was not doing it, dude. Cloud Code was taking care of that. So these are the live metrics.
Nice.
And this is gonna be tomorrow's Memorial Day post, baby.
UPS battery is $350.
Leave out 4 a.m. We need all these storage. And then
Fund us.
I'm gonna add my Bitcoin
Wallet.
yeah, wallet address so that whoever wants to, give us some money. It's everything community funded, bro. Community funded.
Zero streaming now, but we are streaming. Why is it saying zero?
Dude, this is the other one. This is not the current Docker container that we are on.
Oh, okay.
But it is
Enter
giving us the
studio.
live
Okay.
network metrics.
Uh,
Uh,
I see.
yes. So like when we end the stream, you can start the studio. You can enter the studio from over here, and
And then it's gonna show the.
yeah,
I see. I might use this to talk to people now.
talk to people. What do you mean? Oh yeah, definitely you can use it for sure.
You know
And then people can please fund us with some amount of money. Yeah, bro.
what is happening with the UI?
UI is breaking.
I don't know. It's doing some weird shit.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. It has a horizontal play. All
Okay, nice.
right, let's
Okay,
go to the quiz.
and let me also. Okay, so there are two types of namespaces: prim namespaces that are just like slash world, like directory kind of thing, slash world slash environment, and then there are property namespaces, column separator. Sorry. Yeah, column separator properties, which include both attributes and primvars, use namespace to group related data parameters together on a single prim. In text formatting, property namespaces are separated by colon. So common standard namespaces is xform op
Or
use
the
spatial
namespace.
transform.
Or translate is a namespace.
Critical to USD's non-destructive editing workflows composition arcs when you reference or sublayer an asset into a scene, bro. What the fuck? An asset into a scene USD scene. USD uses namespace paths to resolve conflicting opinions and animator creates layer that modifies slash world. USD looks up the exact namespace path across all the active layers, stitch the data together seamlessly, and evaluates the final position. What were you asking?
Like XForm, so we have some common namespaces, common standard namespaces. I was taking a look at those. So anything
Yeah.
that is after that colon is a namespace. That's it. That's what it's saying, right?
The open in XForm namespace is XForm OP. So XForm OP is the namespace.
Yeah.
OpenUSD uses colons to separate namespaces from actual property name. XForm OP, the namespace groups all spatial transformation operations together like translation, rotation, and scaling. Translate the property name, specific action or attribute within that group. This okay, got it. Okay, next question. You are working on a USD scene with complex material. How can you visualize the shading network of the material? Use USD view to inspect the material.
You're working on a USD scene with a complex material. Yeah, a USD view. I think, yeah, it's gonna be.
Use a dedicated shader graph
But wait,
editor that supports use USD CAD to dump the material definition. Oh no, use dedicated shader graph.
If we would have multiple choice, then go up. We
Yes, you can inspect but not visualize networks
have,
well.
well, so that was also an answer, but the best option was a shader graph editor.
Is the OpenUSD certification exam in multiple choice answers? Oh fuck me! For multiple choice questions, direct recall question scenario based items were where you must choose the best pipeline composition solution. What what is it called? Multiple choice questions. No.
Yeah,
Multiple are the options going
to have
to be
multiple answers, multiple answers,
multiple answers?
multiple choice answer, multiple answers. What is gonna be? I don't know.
The multiple choice question. Single answer selection ये क्यों बोल रहा है? Why is it saying that?
Wait, the layout on the arrow will be presented in question scenario alongside four options. You select only one. Oh, only the single best answer. There are typical. Oh, okay, so it's gonna be single
I
only.
No, bro. I think this is wrong.
So go
I
to,
just want to make sure.
go on to like a go on to the website and load that PDF and then open Gemini next to it. Like there is a PDF, right? Certification FAQ and exam policies. Yeah, this might cover it. Uh, or as Cloud Code, we have that documentation or the exam pattern thing in the Cloud Code as well, right?
Mhm. If a test candidate is caught cheating, the proctor will stop the exam immediately and notify the candidates if he is caught. Everything is legal until you are caught. But what is the passing? Like, what is the passing for this out of 60, 70?
I think it's going to be 85%, right?
I don't know.
But the thing is, most of the questions are based on the production pipeline flow. Like the question that we are solving right now won't be there because it says composition, content aggregation, data exchange, data modeling, the other and the pipeline development. So we have not focused on the pipeline development yet, not nor the visualization, nor data modeling, nor data exchange. And customizing USD is something that just touched, not do not have proper hands-on experience till now. Then content aggregation. What's content?
We have just done compositions right now, right? But still, composition is still a lot, like, very big part. It's like the major part. And I think we're gonna do everything, like, we need to go step by step, bro. Like, we don't have an option.
No, I'm not saying to like go around. I'm just saying that we the water is
What
deep
is?
and we are only on the surface.
We are not on the surface. We are midway there. We are
I
not
don't
just
think
on
so
the
we are
surface
mid.
anymore. And not midway, but like at least 40% there. Like,
Yeah,
obviously, there's like a lot of shit
yeah,
to
that
cover. But
that would be. Yeah.
what is the passing score?
It's raining again. Fuck Florida weather. It's raining? Yeah, it's raining. Fuck me. Glad I do have a dryer. AI is causing a net US loss of 16,000 jobs per month, as per Goldman Sachs.
I don't think that's true.
Dude, like people, there is a huge gap between people that know how to use I think, and
Mm-hmm.
people that knows about AI. Like, okay, because you can use AI in very different formats and in very
Mm-hmm.
different optimization pipelines.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's like if you give a monkey to use Claude code, he's gonna make
Mm-hmm.
something. But will it be efficient? Will it be production ready? That's not the case. But if you give an engineer Claude code, he will look for each and every metric and have a thorough discussion with the AI that okay, these are the technologies or these are the things that we need to focus on, and
Mm-hmm.
something that is going to be production ready.
Mm. Is
Is AI gonna take my job, brother? Tell me.
is the question gonna be multiple answer choice? Bro, Gemini is useless over here. It is not able to.
Perplexity.
Bro, fucking. Okay, let me see. Perplexity, right?
Like use the Comet app if you want to.
No, I don't want to use that.
Dude, Comet is so freaking good.
Yes, expect standard multiple choice style questions are prep material. Describe them as single answer questions rather than select all that apply. This means you should prepare as if most questions have one best answer, but be ready for wording that tests nuance and overlap between concepts. What you use 70% of the working target unless NVIDIA officials candidate FAQ say otherwise. So perplexity was also not that great. It only, you know, fucking.
So, like to use it properly, you have to go onto that site and then use it in a similar manner how you use for Gemini, and then it is gonna definitely give you an appropriate answer. But fuck it, Let's go back to the quiz, dude. Stop wasting the freaking time, brother. Stop wasting the
Bro,
time.
I'm not wasting your time. This is going to be very crucial in our fucking preparation.
Yeah,
I'm
I
not
know, but
wasting.
we have to prepare for everything. Prepare, as one of our great angel investors says.
Mm.
Hope for the best and prepare for the worst.
Show bitch ass here now.
Build agents, real time for physical.
Okay, next question. You want to create a spotlight in USD, which USD Lux Light, Spotlight, USD Lux Spotlight, correct. You want to create custom USD schema, which approach is most appropriate? You want to create custom USD schema, create a new schema by inheriting, blah, 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 blah. Code generator to automatically create a schema from data definition, create new schema from scratch without using any base classes, modify the existing standard schemas directly, create a new schema by inheriting from an existing schema for or USD type base class.
Okay. You want to create a create a new schema, no, modifying the standard, create a new schema from scratch. No, we use a code generator. Wait. Uh, Create a new scheme without using any base class won't be okay. Use a code generator. You know what I would? I would use a code generator for sure to to
I
generate.
don't think
I would
what is a code generator in USD?
AI
It's
AI.
not AI, bro.
It's Claude code, dude. There's nothing like code generator in USD. First of all, that's
Yeah, that's correct. Create new schema by inheriting from an existing schema or USD type base class. Yeah, I was right.
yeah.
Which
What
of the following is a valid data type
what I
for USD attribute?
method integers, all of the above.
All of the correct. Which attribute of USD Lux distant light prim controls the direction of the light? Direction, I guess.
No, wait. Oh, direction. I thought intensity angle. Okay, yeah, perfect. No.
What is the purpose of USD preview
To
surface?
define complex shaders to provide a physically based shading model, to define lighting environment, and
I think it's gonna be B.
to define the lighting environment of a scene. I think C. Yeah, it's gonna be C. Yeah,
C.
yeah,
I
C.
think it's gonna be B.
Okay.
To provide a simple physically based shading model.
Yeah, like
Preview surface.
yes,
What
like
is
a
the purpose of
preview
USD
surface.
preview surface? Surface? Yeah, okay. Surface could be.
Because you are not defining, for defining you would use lux. That would be my argument for not going with B.
Then why not to define the geometric properties of a? Oh no,
You
no,
would
no.
use
That
geom.
is your mesh. Yeah.
Yeah. And for to define
Define complex unit. Yeah, I think it is C. Yeah, you're right. Correct. This is the primary purpose.
like based on the keyword preview. What does preview means? Like it's basically a short snippet of what you're trying to render. Like that
No,
how it work, like print preview or anything.
I see.
Yeah.
That's valid. Mm,
Next,
okay, next question. What is the main advantage of using USD's referencing mechanism for composing scenes? Reduce size, promotes modularity and collaboration, allows non-destructive edits, enables parallel processing of scene data, promotes modular. I think non-destructive edits, but no, not non-destructive edits. I think modularity and collaboration will be
yeah,
the
modularity
answer.
and collaboration.
Yeah, but yeah, it's yes, 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 yes. By allowing scenes to be composed from multiple independent files, right? How can you define the custom metadata on USD Prim? custom metadata on USD Prim, adding attributes to print properties, creating separate now, modifying using set metadata. This one. Set metadata API in Python.
For how do you define custom metadata on set metadata, modifying the schema by adding attribute? Yeah, that would be the correct answer.
On OpenUSD, what is the purpose of variants to create where different blah 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 represent alternative
Yeah,
configurations,
see,
various versions of an asset? Yes. Restore blah blah blah. Yes, correct. Which of the following is a common use case for variants in OpenUSD? Creating different animation cycles, creating different facial expressions, creating different lighting setups. Different level of details for characters. What is the answer over here?
which of the following is a common use case for variants in OpenUSD when working with
I think it is this one.
character models? This is a common use case for variants in OpenUSD when working with character models. What are character models, first of all? I don't know. B is eliminated. Animation cycle, I don't give a shit. Yeah, I think B is gonna be the correct answer.
Oh, I thought this was gonna be the one because facial expression of character
Oh, that's some Pixar
validation.
shit. Yeah, brother. Variants.
Variance, yes. Separate concern from variance. LODs.
Which of the
Which
following?
of the following is not common renderer that can be integrated by Arnold is there, Hydra is there, I think Blender EV or Karma.
Hydra is the renderer. Hydra.
Is the architecture, right?
Yeah.
So
Hydra is the architecture. Blender Arnold.
common render, but Hydra is also renderer.
Yeah, Hydra is also a renderer, correct. Blender is also a but it's asking us which is another common renderer that can be integrated with USD imaging.
Imaging. Oh, I didn't read imaging.
Imaging.
Bro, there's no point in thinking about this. I'm just gonna do Karma because
Okay.
I've not heard in Karma. Blender EV.
Blender is not directly integrated with. Nice.
Yeah, incorrect. Hydra is core part of USD
Hydra
imaging.
was not the one. Incorrect. Arnold is a supported one.
Supporter render.
Arnold is supported render. Okay. Karma is also a supported one. Blender EV.
Not directly integrated with USD imaging. Okay.
How
How
can you
can you access metadata associated with USD Prim with
with
Python?
Python? Okay, metadata.
Get metadata.
Yeah, get metadata. Yep.
Mm, Access the metadata associated with USD Prim. Prim dot get metadata. My key. Yes. Get metadata. In OpenUSD, what is the purpose of USD utils? Create new stage with edit target function. In OpenUSD, what is the purpose of USD utils? Create new stage with edit target. To create a new stage without an edit target, set its initial edit target. Set the edit target. Open an existing.
Util.
No, create new. Yeah, I think B.
I think. Oh,
I think it's B.
yeah, it B. It should be B. Yes.
Yes, this function creates a stage and sets its edit target. Create new stage with edit target. What is the purpose of composition arcs in OpenUSD? To define animation paths, establish relationship between different USD files or layers, allowing this for the scene assembly, to optimize rendering, order of primitives, manage version control of history. Yeah, B.
To establish relationship between different USD files or layers allowing for scene assembly. Yeah, to define it. Oh yeah, okay, but wait, composition.
Bro, what the fuck? It's the most straightforward thing.
Why not D? Why not C to optimize the rendering path?
Order of primitives.
Yeah, that could also be
That is strength ordering. That is composition strength ordering.
okay. I think I would say that could also be an answer, but yeah, but B looks most appropriate.
Establish relationship between different USD files or layers.
I'm looking at it as in multiple
Scene
choice.
assembly, composition arcs, bro. Composition arcs.
Okay, just to check answer is gonna be that only. But I will just take a look. Oh,
Rendering order is typically handled by renderer, not composition arcs.
okay.
Version control is external to USD, though it can integrate. Composition arcs manage relationship between USD files, not animation. Define how layers and files are composed together. You want to add custom attribute to an existing USD prim type USD geom mesh without modifying the core USD schema. How can you achieve this? By adding custom metadata to entry prim,
Oh,
by
yeah.
directly modifying USD geom mesh.
Find the core user schema. How can you achieve by adding custom data enter to the prem by using a Python script to dynamically add attribute.
At runtime, no, I don't think so. Adding custom metadata entry. But metadata won't change the schema.
I think D by creating a new derived schema that inherits from and then add the attribute.
By directly modifying USD geometry, you want to add a custom attribute to existing USD prim type. Example. Okay, existing prim type
No, it's
custom
got to be
attribute.
existing, you need to inherit it. And then you want to do the edits and then add the attribute of whatever you want to do.
By creating a new derived schema that inherits from USD geomesh and adds the attribute. Yeah, I think it
That
should
would
be
be
the
I
way.
would that's my explanation, but B could be the
What is your explanation?
my explanation is it's saying that you want to add a custom attribute to an existing prim type. That is
Mm-hmm.
the geom. So if it's an existing prim type, you won't be creating something from scratch, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
You will be inheriting from
yeah, and then if
the.
they have inherited, you would override
Uh,
with an attribute accordingly. So that's my explanation. Yes.
it is correct. Creating a new derived schema and adds from hmm. What is the purpose of USD geom basis curves prim type?
What is the purpose of the USD geom basics prim type? A. None of the above. B. To define the geometric properties of a set of curves defined by basic definition. I think it should be D. Apart from everything looks like a clickbait. Because if it's a polygonal mesh, then you can basically define your curves accordingly, I would say.
Mhm.
But I might be wrong. I'm seeing this for the first time.
What is the purpose of USD geom? Yep, that is correct. USD geom basis curves. Phew. Define geometric properties of a set of curves defined by basis functions. 69.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is not a core concept of OpenUSD? Animation drives, procedural generation, composition, layering schemas. I think procedural generation.
Mm, maybe A.
No, animation tracks, bro. Pixar created OpenUSD.
Okay, check.
Yes.
This is a method. This is a method of asset creation, but not a core USD concept. Oh, yeah, that's why I was confused with it. Wait,
Not a
what the hell?
core architectural
What the hell,
concept.
bro?
Fundamental
Oh,
schema. This is
dude, this question was some kind of. This question was not correct. Or the which of the following is not a core concept. So
no.
animation track was also correct answer over here. That's why I was going with that. That's not it was because it was since it was asking us for core concept. It's saying it's important, but not a core architectural concept. So A and B both could be an answer at this point.
Hmm.
70.
Which attribute of USD geom camera frame controls the horizontal field of view? Wow. Horizontal aperture.
Focal length. Wait,
It
horizontal
could also
field
be
of
for
view, right? What does aperture mean? What is
aperture is I think that field of view kind of thing.
wait, I'm just gonna verify one thing that file is
Opening inside the lens that allows the light to pass through the camera sensor.
no, aperture is not the field of view.
Yeah. Oh no, it is.
No,
Bro, the opening inside a lens that allows the light to pass through the
but
camera
it
sensor.
says no, aperture is not the field of view, but it is related how image looks in other ways. So technically, it's not, but it does affect how the image relates. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Aperture controls the horizontal field of view. Nice.
Yeah. Okay. Now let me quickly give this value resolution to Claude and make it visualize it so that we can revise quickly. Where is the fucking thing we were doing?
Dude, my robot has started cleaning. 2:45 a.m. Fuck.
God damn.
Dude, that's why I set it for 2:45 a.m. because this will notify me that it's freaking too late. Now I have to sleep.
But you already slept.
Dude, I slept for like half an hour.
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah, bro, that's too much.
You're not sleepy right now, so we
Yeah,
can push.
I do have no. I don't want to push. I need to sleep, bro. I don't want to fuck up my sleep.
Push,
No, bro, I
push,
don't want to. I don't want to fuck up my sleep
bro.
schedule. I have meetings. I have my dude. My sleep
Push,
comes in at 6 a.m. in the morning. My
push.
meetings are very early.
We need to revise this. Create questions, answers, and all the good
Yeah.
tricks and visualizations
Team secure.
for us to clarify the concepts here very well.
Secure
Bluetooth is connected.
stream dot sunshine server dot org. What was the freaking URL? Oh, I did give it to you. Oh, secure studio stream. Oh my bad. Studio stream.
Oh, I will not sleep today.
Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Funding is
One life.
in progress. Okay, somebody has already funded us to $47 based on cloud codes.
What?
Nothing, nothing. I'm just messing around.
Okay. Let's read this quickly.
I will. I will fetch the page first. So the
There is
step.
conceptual layer, composition versus value. Okay, let me also, yeah, let's read this quickly. So value resolution is how OpenUSD figures out the final value of a property
Yeah.
or piece of metadata
So
by looking at all the different sources that.
let me shut down the screening for now. It's gonna make a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Pause.
Well, also, can I mute this?
Yeah, you can mute it.
Oh, you're not able to hear me, right?
Yeah, dude. Dude, this is Claude code at work, brother.
Yeah.
Claude code at work.
Bro, this is much better than Video Ninja.
I know, dude, because the backend is from an open source repository live kit. That's why
Hmm.
I think Video Ninja was created from on like old tech stack.
Hmm. Andhra Pradesh.
All right. So where were we?
Yeah. Value resolution is how OpenUSD figures out the final value or property of piece of metadata by looking at the different sources that might have information about it. Think of it like solving a puzzle where you have multiple pieces of information from different places. You need to figure out what the final answer should be. Even though value resolution combines many pieces of data together, it's different from composition. Understanding the difference helps you work with USD more effectively. Composition is cached, value resolution is not. When you open a stage, you add a new scene data. USD creates an index of composition logic and results at a prim level for quick access. However, USD doesn't pre-calculate the final values of the properties. This keeps the system fast and uses less memory. Composition rules vary by composition arcs. Value resolution rules vary by data type. Composition figures out where all the data comes from and create an index or source of each prim. Value resolution takes the this ordered list from strongest to weakest and combines the opinion data according to what type of information it is.
Yes.
Okay. For the most metadata, the rule is simple. The strongest opinion wins. Think of it as like voting system where the most authoritative sources gets the final say. Some metadata like prim specifier attribute specifier with author's intent for how prim spec.
Specify the author's intent for how a Sprim spec should be interpreted in composition. Like,
Yeah, this is the def over and class.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Attribute type name and several others have special resolution rules. A common metadata type you may encounter with special resolution rules are dictionaries like custom data. Dictionaries combine element by element, so if one layer has custom data key 1 and another has custom data key 2, the final result will have both keys. Common metadata types may encounter. Okay. Relationships work differently because they can have multiple targets instead of just picking the strongest opinion. USD combines all the opinions about the relationship should point to following the specific rules for how to merge lists, that is, list OPs, list ops, resolving attributes. That attribute are special because they have three possible sources of values at each location. Value clips, animation data stored in separate files, time samples, default value or non-time varying value. What are the value clips, bro? Do you remember this?
Animation data stored in separate files. I think like we can store multiple clips. You remember we can have multiple USDA file
Mm-hmm.
that we can reference it, and then we can load.
Different time samples.
Yeah, and then we can map them to different time samples accordingly. I think it does says about that somewhere. Value resolution of attributes in first two cases also account for time scaling and offset operators. layer offset, interpolation for time code and the fall. No, no. It does say somewhere about mapping as well. I do not remember it right away, but yes, it does say it.
Okay, whatever. So stage prim, get prim, attribute, get an attribute, prim dot get attribute, my attribute. Uh, oh, I have a confusion over here.
Yeah.
So when we do prim dot get attribute, so
Yeah.
we are getting an attribute over here, but we are creating a new attribute or we are getting it from somewhere.
We are getting the attribute as an object.
But where is this object?
It's in the USDA file.
Open a stage, but it's not a.
That's in the dude. That is an existing
So
USD.
you're saying this would be pre-existing in example.usd.
Yes, that's what the code is assuming over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Attribute is filled over here. Now usd.timecode.default is implied. So default value is equal to attribute.get. Yes. So this is stored in the default value. Get the value at timecode 100. Animated value attribute.get at 100. So animated value is timecode at timecode 100. The attribute will be this my attribute. So use earliest time to get the earliest animated value. If the exist value equals to attribute dot get usd dot timecode dot earliest time. So this is setting the attribute at the earliest time. Okay. When you get an attribute value without explicit time code, the default time code USD time code default is usually not what you want to uh, want. If your stage has animation, instead use USD time code earliest time to make sure. Oh yes, I remember this. To
Yes.
make sure you get the actual time error rather than just the default value. Example one attribute value resolution and animation. This is the deformation. No, this is not the deformation one. Okay,
Deformation one is not in this. I think it's in.
it was in the primvars.
Yeah. In this we have the in this we are like mostly reanimating some stuff.
Okay, let me see the code real quick. This example shows how the transform attribute xform op scale, so namespace and scale, authored by xform common API, resolves from four sources a fallback value. When no authored value exists, an authored default value, authored time samples value, and interpolated values between time samples. Oh, now I get it. So it's going to show us four sources. Fallback value, no value exists, author default value, author time sample value, and interpolated values between time samples. Okay. So Pixar, start TC, end TC, cube TC, mid T, time code, file path, stage setup, stage create new file path, time code per second, set time code per second, set time, start time code, set end time code, world default prim and ground, world.xform is world, stage dot set default prim, the set is set as default prim, usdgeom.xform API, rotate 75, you create ground cube, ground equals to usdgeom. So this is created a cube, set scale, xform common API. So this is set in USD geom ground, ground set translate, static default cube, USD geom cube row define. So static cube with schema defined, default scale, no scale, OP authored. So here, get display color attribute set 0.2.2.8 RGB. So this is blue. Yeah, this is this one.
Yeah.
And what is it doing? Set static cube scale. So set scale, cube set scale. Cube set scale is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 as default. Okay, and then okay, animated cube, same default as static cube plus time samples. So NMQ, yeah, this is the tricky part.
Which one?
NMCube equals to USD geom.cube.define. Yeah, this is just new cube.
Yeah.
Setting color, setting X formable, setting scale. Now cube set scale, same as static cube.
Yeah.
But now it is doing set translate.
Mm-hmm.
What does this do exactly? This is just rotation, right?
Yeah, this is this rotation
So what?
along z-axis 1.5.
Yeah, but
But what?
this is RG, green, blue. Which one is that?
Go up. So look at the scale. Is it scaling? Yeah, it's the middle. I think. Wait. Yeah, that's the middle one. Since the scale is the biggest for it.
555.
Yeah, that's the middle one. But it is
Yeah.
doing it on like on a specific time.
Use time code cube and start TC. This one.
Yes. So like if you remember you rendered it on USD view.
No, this was not the one. I
Yeah,
rendered the deformation.
oh, that was a deformation one. Oh, okay, okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
Let me see what this is saying. Claude code. Claude.
Mm-hmm.
Composition, first one distinction, whole page hinges on master composition versus value resolution. And then each query figures out the final value, blah blah blah. Layer to metadata strongest wins. So, my AirPods battery is low. Damn. Single best way to remember it is composition is cache, value resolution is not. Composition runs on stage builds per prim. Most moderator. Oh, Claude. Oh, look at this. Claude has plotted a graph about that scale. So at t equal to 60, scale is 2.5.
Mm-hmm.
So it starts at 2.5,
Mm-hmm.
right? Yeah, it starts at 2.5. Look at this. Yeah. Over here, it starts at 2.5 because, yeah, this is 2.5. And then the time plays for NTC. Oh, it is set at cube anim start TC.
Yeah.
So cube anim start TC is 60.
Yes.
So at it basically at 0 till 60 it is 2.5,
Yeah.
and then from 60 to 120 it is scaling from 2.5 to 5.
Yes.
So okay, now I understand this. So I think we can tamper this in the code as well if
Mm-hmm.
you want.
Yeah, definitely go ahead.
So
Mm-hmm.
if I do cube anim start TC at mm, what we can do is we can decrease the size, decrease the speed of it scaling actually. So if I change this to 180,
Mm-hmm.
right, and Yeah, let's just do 180 first. Yeah, look at this. Now it is taking much slower time to scale as compared to this one.
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Mm.
I get it now. And then let's do the scale as 15, I guess. And do time from 100 or 90 rather. It's gonna burst. I think it's gonna burst then.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, damn. Oh, it's we need to create a new file. Where is that attribute.usda one? Yeah, see,
Where,
it
what,
just bursts.
where,
What?
where did we change? Like the value to 100.
Yeah, we changed the end time count as 90, so it is like just half time code per second is one
Mm-hmm.
because it is 90.
And
So
the
it's
scale.
just gonna do it in 1 second.
But, oh, okay.
And
So is it
scale over
increasing
here.
constantly?
What?
What if we reduce the scale to 10?
Yeah. Or let's just do 15, 10, 10 and create a new file. Attribute to, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait.
Cuboid.
It's still going. So is wait, I'm not able to understand how is it constantly increasing.
What constantly?
Okay, reduce it to 2. Oh, okay, okay.
What?
The size is way too big. It's in 10 meters. That's why. Oh, got it, got it. The size is in meters.
What meters?
Like the units. So as compared to the other cube,
No, no, it's nothing is in meters here.
by
It's
default,
standard. It's
no, that by default it's in meters.
yeah, by default. But what are you trying to ask? I'm not able to understand your
I'm trying to
question.
figure out it it's increasing constantly. It's not stopping.
Constantly?
Like
Like it's an animation frame. Obviously, it's not doing. Bro, this is looping from 0 to 90 seconds.
no, 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 no,
This
no,
is
no, 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 no. Okay, reduce it to two. Reduce it to two.
what to?
The
What scale?
scale, yeah, two, something like that.
It's gonna reduce then.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to figure out. Is it because wait, yeah, do it again. Yeah, run it. Let's see.
Yeah, it's gonna reduce.
Wait, I have some doubt. Yeah. Where is it?
See, it's reducing its size.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right, perfect. Okay. All right, dude. Let's go back. Dude, I'm so sleepy now.
Yeah, we just have to complete. Not even this. I think orange diamonds are two authored. We understood this. We understood this. Clamping dash blah blah blah. Value clips, time samples, author default, schema fallback. So check strongest first. The ladder explains three cubes. Example one. Strap blah blah. Example two. Custom data relationship value resolution. This example composes layers to show resolution. Rules for dictionary metadata like custom data per key by strength. Okay.
Example to custom data and relationship value resolution. You have layer one path, you have layer one stage, you have layer one next form.
Look A, look B, this. I think I remember this. Sublayer, first sublayer listed, layer 2. Okay. I think we can do quiz.
Yeah, let's focus on the quiz.
I
Let's go
remember
through the
this.
key takeaways all at once. Do have some critical information. Most of them. Value resolution gives OpenUSD its power ability to combine data from multiple sources while keeping the system fast and efficient. This is incredibly useful in real world workflows. For example, imagine multiple teams working on different parts of a scene. Value resolution seamlessly combines everyone's work into single model without anyone's contribution being lost. The base layer defines the robot's arm, the animation layer overrides it. During value resolution, OpenUSD combines these layers, resulting in the robot arm being positioned at 500 while keeping all the other unchanged properties from the base layer. Understanding value resolution is the key to working effectively with OpenUSD's non-destructive workflow and getting the best performance in multi-threaded application. All right, let's go back to the quiz.
You've got to whisper my name. Multiple selection. Okay, a reviewer at Litware is writing an internal doc on the difference between composition and value resolution in OpenUSD. For the value resolution lesson, which statement accurately characterizes that difference? Select all that apply. Both composition and value resolution maintain pre-computed value caches for every property on stage. Composition rules vary by composition arc, while resolution value resolution rules vary by data type or being resolved. Value resolution determines whether data comes from across the layers, while composition assembles final property per property value. No, composition results are cached at prim
Why
level when a stage
why
open.
C is no? C is also a correct option.
Huh?
No wait, why? No, no, yeah, you are correct. You are no nothing. I think
Bro, final per property value. No,
yeah, yeah,
that is value resolution.
it's gonna be B.
Composition rules vary by composition arc, while value resolution vary by this. I think it's gonna be B and D.
Cache at prim level when a stage opens, while value resolution computes per property values on demand. Oh yeah, B and D.
Yes, sir.
So
A pipeline tool calls attribute.get on an attribute that has both an author default value and a time sample at frame 60 and per 120 per value resolution, which statement accurately describes what is returned. The first authored time sample value, the one at frame 60, since USD prefers animation when both are present on the same attribute, the interpolated value no. Querying without a time code an attribute that has both default and time samples is an error. The user authored value gets default value because dot get with no time code. Yeah, I think this.
D. Wait. A pipeline tools attribute or an attribute has both also default value and time sample at blah 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 per the value is listen which statement to describe what is returned. Good
But
because
he is not calling the earliest time.
with no time code equivalent USD time code the default value because okay and none yeah it's gonna be D I think.
And I think it's gonna be none worry.
Without time code attribute has both default time samples and error is an error condition. None Coding without a time code on attribute that has both
So
different.
C and D both cannot be the answer.
No,
Like either it's C or either it's D
no,
because
it's
both are
multiple choice. It
conflicting.
can be both as well, right?
No, but both of them are saying the opposite things,
Oh
bro.
yeah, yeah. Then it's gonna be D then. Let's see. Yes.
Oh, it's just D. Correct.
A reviewer is auditing which kind of metadata follow special resolutions rules rather than the default. Strong opinion wins per value resolution less than which of the following uses special resolution rules. Dictionary type metadata is a custom data which combines element by blah 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 asset file name and string layer header attribute type name which lesson less from specifier def which lessons having special.
This is your notification, motherfucker.
Dude, I don't have any notifications turned on. And I'm
Who
on D&D, bitch.
Ghanti, bro? What does
Yeah, yeah, I'm on
Ghanti
D&D.
mean?
You piece of shit. I'm already on
I'm
sleep.
also on D&D.
So that's not my notification, dude. You are sleep deprived now. That's why. When a
Fuck
human
no.
is sleep deprived, he gets hallucinations, freaking hallucinations.
Oh, I think I know what is happening.
Piece of shit.
I think we're getting new subscriber. That is the fucking thing, bro. That is
Fuck
happening.
you. No, dude, it's only 69.
No, it got 70. See,
Oh,
that's why
70. Oh,
yeah, I think that's the notification that comes when you have like a new
oh,
subscriber, I guess.
oh.
I'm almost at 3,000 views.
30,000 views. God damn.
3,000 views. 3K coming into the big leagues.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Reviewer is auditing which kind of metadata follows special resolution rules rather than the default strong opinions per value. Okay. Dictionary type metadata such as custom data which combines elements by
A would be an
element.
answer
Okay.
as well. And then C would be an answer as well. And D would be an answer as well. Based on like because
Type name which
we have
the
like
lesson list.
custom data as well, and then prim specifier as well, and then the attribute type name as well for the value resolution. A, C, and D, I would go with. Maybe A might be wrong, but I'd still think A would be an answer as well. A, C, D.
ACD.
CID, dude. CID, fuck. Daya.
Bro.
Oh God, what?
CID, that Gali CID. Have you seen that?
Yeah, bro. No. Oh, you know what it is called? Chodu CID.
Oh
Chodu
yeah, Chodu CID. Yeah, yeah.
CID.
Bro, that is fucking golden. I
Fuck.
wish we could do some reaction videos for that.
No, bro. I don't want to. I don't want to become Tanmay Bhatt. You know, first, I don't know, bro. I hate people that are watching reaction videos or some other people are watching some random memes. I'm like, dude, what the fuck? You don't have anything in life that you're watching someone's reaction on watching some shitty thing. Dude, that's why I don't ever go to any stand-up comedies or anything. I used to go, but
Yeah, bro, I hate it. I hate it too.
yeah, I stopped. I'm like, bro, I have better things in life.
I went to one show, Kenny Sebastian. I don't know if you know him.
Oh, I know. I have been to like in Chennai. I was doing my undergrad, I went to Samay Rana. I went to Kenny
Uh-huh.
Sebastian. I went to a lot of stand-up comedians, even
Yeah.
Kunal Kamra as well. But
Oh.
since then, I think I have stopped it. I'm like,
Bro, I don't know why people think they are so funny. I don't find them funny at
but
all.
the
Like
thing
they
is, what they're
some
doing is
jokes maybe, but
now the thing is they're trying to do relatable stuff that people are already feeling with. So the jokes that they will bring up are more relatable to their corporate life, and that's the basic corporate culture in India, right? Your
mm,
manager is sucky, or your manager doesn't give a shit, or something kind of like that, and people are already frustrated in their life in India.
mm,
So they need some kind of entertainment, and they need someone. that can, say, hey, this politician is bullshit, this politician is that, right?
Um,
Yeah.
Whatever. Fuck that. So, dictionary A, C, and D, you were saying. Dictionary type metadata such as custom data, which combines element by element across layers. Metadata special attributes type name, which the lesson lists alongside specifier as a special case metadata. The prims specifier def over class, which the lessons call out as having special resolution. I don't know, bro.
Yes,
Oh,
sir. Yes, sir.